Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know this video is kind of long overdue, but this is my updated rice water routine. So I did make a few modifications to the rice water mixture that I had in my last video. I'm going to show you guys the modifications later, or I'm going to kind of run through them. But as of now, all I'm going to do is kind of wet my hair and then start to do a light detangle right before I put the mixture into my hair. So this is the new and improved rice water mixture, and I know you guys see those brown seeds floating around at the bottom. Those are flax seeds. So if you did not know, flax seeds are also very good for helping with hair growth. They're really rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and those fatty acids are like something that is like pretty much essential in healthy hair growth. So I also added the flax seeds just to give the water more of a jelly-like texture, just to make it easier to apply. But I was still struggling to apply it to my hair, as you can see in these multiple clips of me struggling, because it was a struggle. I did figure out what worked for me and an easier way to apply it. So what I did was I just took the jar and I dipped my ends into the rice water mixture, and I just let my hair absorb whatever that it really could absorb, and I worked the rest of it through my hair. But since I did add the flaxseed, I feel like it made it easier for my hair to absorb it, because it was more of a jelly kind of mixture. It was more like, thick, so my hair could actually hold on to it. So it made it kind of easy for me to apply it to my hair. And I'm telling y'all, I think the flax seeds really did add another moisture element as well, because my hair was really moisturized, and it just felt moisturized. So I really am going to keep adding the flax seeds to it. And if you guys want to try it out, definitely let me know. I'm still modifying it as well, because I want to add some fragrance and stuff to it as well, just to kind of make it like just an overall experience, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so pretty much I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Just watch me apply this to my hair and just kind of see what I did to get it in my hair and everything. If y'all have any questions, let me know down below. I'll probably check in with you guys at the end of the video. But yeah, just keep on watching, and I love y'all, and I'm just so thankful that y'all even here on my channel. Like, thank you, and I will see y'all soon. Okay, I'm back already. So I just wanted to talk to you guys briefly before the video ends. I wanted to kind of just get some feedback from you guys. So let me know down below if this video is helpful for you guys. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing any other type of hair tutorials or hair videos or rice water videos or hair growth videos. Let me know down below. Also, let me know if y'all would be interested in seeing any other type of content. I am really interested in starting like mukbangs and vlogs and things like that as well. So let me know if that would be something that y'all would be interested in. I think I'm gonna do my first mukbang. Let me know down below what it should be. If it should be seafood, y'all want to see Chick-fil-A, I want to see something homemade, let me know down below. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of throw that in there real quick for you guys before the video wraps up, or before I lose y'all's attention, you know what I'm saying, before y'all try to click away. Don't click away, watch the whole video, okay? Watch the whole video. Anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching and supporting my channel. It really does mean the world to me. Let me know down below any questions. I say this all the time so much. Let me know down below any questions, comments, concerns you guys may have. And I'm so grateful for you guys again. I don't know how many times I said that, but I really mean it. So yeah, thank you guys again. I will see you in my next video. Hopefully it's a mukbang, or hopefully it's something else very interesting. And see you guys in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.